Howdy, family and friends. My name is Tamara. I'm with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. We're going to be doing a wonderful meal tonight, except it's going to take 3 days to do it. What we're doing is country-style pork spare ribs, and this is our first step. As you can see, they're beautiful, nice and thick. And what I'm doing tonight is first we're going to put a marinade on them. And in this marinade is a half a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, 4 cloves of minced garlic. Wow, it is going to be tasty. And a teaspoon of black pepper. And what I'm going to do is pour this over, covering it real well. And we refrigerate this for 24 hours, but in that time period, we will be turning them so this marinade gets soaked into the ribs. Wow, it already smells wonderful. This will be well worth it. It does take 3 days to do this, but I'm warning you, it will be well worth it. This is one of my little brother's favorite recipes. We don't get together as often as we used to, so I'm doing this for my little brother Jim. Okay, so this is our first part. Tomorrow night you'll be joining us and we'll be putting on the spicy rub. We'll let that sit overnight, and then the next day we're going to start cooking now with our famous barbecue sauce. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night now. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and give us some feedback. We would love it. Well, here we are. We are ready to go on to step 2 with our wonderful pork spare ribs. They're marinated overnight. I've taken them out and I put them on a tray here. And I have my spicy shake that I've got all mixed up in my little jar here. And it consists of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, oregano, thyme, paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, and dry mustard. Wow, can't go wrong on those ingredients, can you? Now, I'm not going to use all of this. This is a bigger batch for a lot of ribs. I'm just going to put a generous little sprinkle on the top of each one. And the marinade that they marinated in overnight, you want to make sure to throw that away. You do not want to use that on something else. And this spicy shake that I'm putting on here, you can use this on steak, chicken. We've tried it on both of those and they're really, really good. And then when we're done here, we'll put these in the refrigerator and let them refrigerate overnight. Okay, now you want to work this into your meat. Get that squished down good. And there's onions and garlic on here too. I was not going to throw those away. You want those to work into your meat too. And boy, does this smell good and spicy. My goodness. This is going to be wonderful. Too bad we have to wait tomorrow night for this. Oh well, it'll be totally worth it. Yep, work that spice into them. Of course, you turn them over and do the other side. And these have the bone in them. You can get the boneless, but we kind of like the ones with the bone in. And then I'll put them back into my dish here and put them in the refrigerator. When you're marinating meat, you do not want to put them in aluminum. Aluminum is not good to put your meat in, so either use a glass dish, ceramic, and this is a special stainless steel pan that I have here. But they always tell you not to put your meat or any kind of a marinade in aluminum. All right, we'll see you tomorrow and we'll finish up this. And I know you'll all be hungry. We certainly will be. See you tomorrow. Thank you. All right, here we are. We're going on to step 3 for our barbecued pork spare ribs. And of course our ribs sat overnight with our spicy shake on them. And what I'm going to do here is put them in a 12-inch Dutch oven. Seasoned, of course, like we're all supposed to keep our Dutch ovens. And they smell wonderful. And then I made a homemade barbecue sauce that'll be going on these. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook these for about 45 minutes to an hour. Low and slow is the rule. And then we'll heat it up a little bit higher and put the barbecue sauce on. So they kind of glaze. And then my homemade barbecue sauce, it's a bourbon barbecue sauce. Yes, there is bourbon in it. And it's got bacon, cooked bacon. It's got ketchup, molasses, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, onion, Tabasco sauce, or cayenne pepper of your choice. And you combine all of that and simmer it. And it calls for 1/4 cup of bourbon or more. Of course, we go for or more. And you do put it in the barbecue sauce, or you can have a sip yourself. Okay, wonderful. We are going to go outside and put this in the prepared area that we've got going, and we'll see you in a little bit. Wow, they finally got done our wonderful pork spare ribs. Look how beautiful they are. See, we put more heat on the top and it glazed that barbecue sauce on it, as you can see. And of course, I'll only eat one of these, but my husband will always eat two. You can have whatever you want to have to go along with this. We like a nice tossed salad and a beautiful glass of white wine. We're so glad that you joined us today. My goodness, does this smell wonderful. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'd love some feedback. And of course, I'm going to take a taste. My goodness, I can't wait. Oh, and they're just like fall off the bone. My goodness. As my husband would say, tastes like more. My goodness. We invite family and friends to come tonight, but we want this to ourselves. Here's a salute to all our family and friends. We wish they were with us tonight. And thank you, viewers, for joining us. Of course, we'll be bringing more and exciting ones to you. Goodbye for now.